Do you know how a baby grows into an adult? How a small plant grows into a big tree? Yes, you are correct. They grow because our cell can divide. So today we are going to talk about cell division. Hello students, welcome to Poonam's classroom. So first let's start with the definition. What is cell division? Cell division is the process by which a parent cell, after growth and replication of its components, divide to form daughter cells. So, a parent cell, which is also called the mother cell, will divide to form daughter cells, and before they divide, they will grow and replicate. Let's first understand why cell division is required. Cell divide in order to grow, and that's why you were baby one time and now you have grown to a teen. To replace old, dead and injured cells. Have you noticed when you have a cut or a burn, after a few days the dead cells fall off and new cells come, right? This is because your cell have divided and replaced the old and damaged cell. And thirdly, to form gametes required for reproduction. Gametes are required for reproduction. So, cells divide in a special manner and form gametes which help in the process of reproduction. Cell division is of two types, mitosis and meiosis. We will learn about them now. Before we go into the process of cell division, you need to understand certain basic things. This part will be very important. So students, please concentrate. We have seen in our nucleus video that within the nucleoplasm there are thread-like structures which are called chromatin material. And we have also learned that chromatin material condenses to form chromosome. So chromosomes are nothing but condensed form of the chromatin material. And we all know that they contain the genetic material DNA. Now remember, a particular organism will have a particular number of chromosomes. The number should not change. For example, in human, 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs of chromosomes are there. Why did I say 23 pairs? Because the chromosomes are present in pair. That is, there are 23 different types of chromosomes and they are in pairs. So in total 46 chromosomes but 23 pairs. Now when in an organism the chromosomes are present in pairs, then it is called diploid organism and it is written as 2n. In human, 2n will be equal to 46 because I have told you they have 23 pairs of chromosomes. That means n is equal to 23. Now, if I write 2n is equal to 8, what does it mean? Can you tell? It means that the organism is diploid and the organism has 4 sets of chromosomes. They are in pairs. Now again, if I write n is equal to 8, it means that the organism is haploid and it has 8 chromosomes. They are not in pairs. When chromosomes are not in pairs, they are called haploid. Higher organisms are diploid, that is, they have paired chromosomes. So in human, chromosome 1 will be in pair and chromosome 2 also will be in pair. But see, chromosome 1 looks completely different from chromosome 2. These pairs are called homologous pairs. Homologous means similar. That is, they are similar. For example, if you have 2 t-shirts of same type but different colors, so they are similar, right? So they are homologous. Is it clear, students? Next, from the definition we learned, when the cell is about to divide, it will grow and replicate. Grow you can understand, it will increase in size. But what about replication? Replication means it make a duplicate copy of its genetic material, that is, the chromosome will be duplicated. In a cell, before replication, a chromosome will look like this. 2 arms connected at the center. This is one pair of chromosome. One is in yellow and one is in green and they are homologous. Now, after replication, the chromosome will look like this. That is, they will have 4 arms now connected to a common point. So here it has made a duplicate copy of itself. Like you have brought 2 exactly same t-shirts. So one is the duplicate of the other. They are identical, exact copies. Like a Xerox machine makes exact copy of the notes, right? These arms are called chromatids, and the 2 duplicated arms are called sister chromatids. Let's recap. When chromosomes are present in pairs, it is called diploid and written as 2n. In human, 2n is equal to 46. That is, human has 23 pairs of chromosomes. Paired chromosomes are called homologous chromosomes, which mean they are similar. Before cell division, the chromosome duplicates by the process called replication, and thus we have the sister chromatids. So basically, after cell has replicated and not divided, it will have double the number of chromosomes. That is, in human, it will have 92 chromatids. So now let's see the process of cell division. First, we will look at mitosis. We have the mother cell or the parent cell. Let's say 2 pairs of chromosomes are present. That is, 2n is equal to 4. Now the cell will grow and replicate. This process is called interphase. So the cell will have 8 chromosomes because it has replicated. So this is the cell after replication and growth, that is the cell in the interphase. What will happen is that 8 arms will be divided equally among the daughter cells. So each daughter cell will get 4 arms, isn't it? That is 4 chromosomes at the end of cell division. So what did we see? 2 identical daughter cells are formed from mother cell and all have same number of chromosomes, that is 2n is equal to 4. This kind of cell division is called mitosis. Remember, in cell division, first the nucleus divides, which is called karyokinesis. You know karyon means nucleus, right? We have learnt about it in the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. And then a furrow will be formed and the cytoplasm divides, which is called cytokinesis, meaning division of the cytoplasm. This is how a cell division looks. So in mitosis, the number of chromosomes in the mother and the daughter cell are same. This is called equational division. This type of division occurs in the body cells. Body cells are called somatic cells. So mitosis occurs in somatic cells. And cell growth, repair, everything happens due to the process of mitosis. Now we'll talk about another interesting cell division. That is, we will talk about meiosis. Meiosis occurs in reproductive organs or tissues of plants and animals to produce gametes. For example, in human, the male gamete is sperm and the female gamete is ovum. When the sperm fertilizes the ovum, that is when the sperm fuses with the ovum, a new cell will be formed, that is called zygote. And ultimately from there, the baby will be formed. So the sperm and the egg has to fuse. Now I have told you that humans are diploid. That is, they have 46 chromosomes. So if the sperm has 46 chromosomes and if the egg also has 46 chromosomes, the new cell, that is the zygote, will have 46 plus 46, that is 92 chromosomes. But I have told you that the number of chromosomes need to be fixed for an organism. Then how to fuse 2 cells and have same chromosome? Very easy. Since the chromosomes are in pairs, so reduce them into half. That is, if sperm has 23 chromosomes and egg have 23 chromosomes, that is, they have haploid set of chromosome instead of diploid, then if they fuse, they will again have diploid set. This type of cell division, where from a diploid mother haploid cells are produced, is called meiosis. Since the chromosome number is reduced, this type of division is called reductional division. Let's see actually what happens. Like before, the mother cell will grow and replicate in the interphase. So, in case of human, we will have 92 arms. Let's take the example of 2n is equal to 4. So, before the cell division, in the interphase, there will be 8 chromosomes or 8 chromatids. Now, this is one homologous pair and this is another homologous pair. In the division 1, the homologous pairs will separate into 2 cells. That is, the yellow and green were homologous pair. Now they are in different cells. Similarly, the blue and purple were homologous pairs. Now they are in different cells. This is called meiosis 1. In the next step, the sister chromatids will separate. This is called meiosis 2. So ultimately, from one mother cells, 4 cells are produced which have haploid set of chromosome. So you can see each cell is having 2 chromosomes, but the mother had 4 chromosomes, right? Thus reduction in the number of chromosomes has occurred. Thus it is called reductional division and it is a 2-step process. Is it clear? If you have any questions, leave me in the comment. I will answer. And as I have told you earlier, this type of cell division occurs in the reproductive organs to form gametes. Mitosis is one-step process. Meiosis is a 2-step process. Mitosis has same number of chromosomes as the mother cell. Meiosis have half of the chromosomes as the mother cell. Now can you write the differences between mitosis and meiosis? Let's see. Mitosis occurs in body cells or somatic cells in the higher organisms. Meiosis occurs in the germ cells or sex cells in higher organisms. Mitosis is one cell division process. Meiosis is a 2-cell division process. 2 daughter cells are produced in mitosis. 4 daughter cells are produced in meiosis. Daughter cells are genetically identical in mitosis. Daughter cells are genetically different in meiosis. Mitosis creates diploid daughter cells. Meiosis creates haploid daughter cells. Mitosis occurs in all organisms except virus. Meiosis occurs in animals, plants and fungi. Mitosis is also the process of reproduction in lower organisms like amoeba. So I think now you have a very clear idea about cell division. If you have any questions, please write me in the comment. And before you leave, what you have to do? Of course, you have to like the video and subscribe for more updates. And please share with your friends so that everyone is benefited. See you soon.